Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the console and account so nothing blocks your session. Sign in to PSN, enable two-factor authentication, and make sure you have PS Plus if you plan to queue ranked. Once done, free at least 30 GB on the internal SSD or attach a high-speed external drive. The game installs faster on SSD. Then update the Ps5 system software and download the latest Rainbow Six Siege X patch. This prevents matchmaking errors and unlocks balance fixes and new operators. You now configure the game for consistent play and smoother aim. Choose performance mode for higher frame rates, which reduces input lag. This matters in gunfights. Next, tweak sensitivity, aim assist, and dead zones while using the shooting range to test. Small changes matter. Make controller button remaps that fit your reflexes and bind quick throw or gadget keys. Finally, optimize connectivity. Ensure NAT is open, enable UPnP on your router, and set CoS to prioritize your Ps5 so matches stay stable. You finish by locking in loadouts and warming up so your first matches feel natural. Pick a primary and secondary, equip a gadget and one clutch utility, then practice for 10 to 15 minutes in terrorist hunt or the range to settle aim and recoil. When queuing, communicate roles with teammates and adapt during the first round. If problems occur, like disconnections or stutters, rebuild the Ps5 database, verify NAT status, reinstall the game if needed, and clear temporary cache to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.